Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the media attribute in HTML. This powerful attribute allows you to apply different styles based on the characteristics of the device viewing your web page. You can target features like screen width, height, and orientation, ensuring your content looks great on any device, from large monitors to small smartphones. It's essential for creating responsive web designs. Let's explore some key media features you can use. Width and height are fundamental for targeting the viewport's dimensions. Orientation helps you differentiate between portrait and landscape modes. For more precise control, min width and max width allow you to specify a range, for example, for screens between 768 pixels and 1024 pixels wide. Resolution is useful for high-density displays. Implementing media queries is straightforward. You can link external style sheets by adding the media attribute to your link tag, specifying conditions like screen and max width, 600 px. Alternatively, embed styles directly within a style tag using an @media rule. You can also combine multiple features using logical operators like and or to create more complex conditions for your designs. For best results, consider a mobile-first approach, designing for smaller screens first and then scaling up. Always test your designs across a variety of devices and screen resolutions to ensure consistency. Using relative units like percentages or M values instead of fixed pixels offers greater flexibility. Keep your media queries well organized within your CSS for easier updates and maintenance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.